very good evening to everybody. So let us start the next Abhyasa Varga. Before which, a couple of details that have been shared earlier regarding a registration for international students, and so those who seek admission, those who seek admission to the Pravesha course outside of India, these are the email IDs, and the registration form is available on this link. The form has been uploaded onto the course page of in the Vyoma course page also for Pravesha. So you can either access it there, or this is the link. I shall copy this link and put it, one second, yeah. I shall copy this link and put it in the let me try and put it in the chat so that those who want to access it can do that. Just give me a minute, please. So I'll just put it in the chat for the benefit of those who would like to register it outside of India. Kindly keep your hands lower. We'll just come to it 1 second. So I have pasted this in the chat section so that people who have difficulties, if you have already registered and no, the Atlaniji, this is basically for procuring the Pravesha textbook from Samskritha Bharati. So the registration that you're talking about, registration is for the tutorial, that is this particular session that you're attending with on Saturday as well as on Sunday through Vyoma. But like we have mentioned in on day 1 itself, that the Pravesha course, the syllabus is something that has been compiled by Samskrita Bharati. And I would request you to go through the earlier videos where we have said that the certificate for clearing Pravesha course is not given by Vyoma. It is going to be the exams are conducted by Samskrita Bharati. So that is the this thing. So we will. That is why I'm sharing this link in case you're out of India and you're not able to access the textbook. Then you have to register and on this particular Google form, and you need to fill the form and send it to Samskrita Bharati and follow it up with them, because they are the ones who conduct the exam. So once you finish the Pravesha course, if you need to go to the Parichaya course, your registration needs to be there with Samskrita Bharati. That is the reason why I'm sharing this. I hope it's clear. Please go through the earlier videos also, where Brindaji has explained in class 1 itself as to it is not about registering and attending the live classes, but not just that you've already done, but you need to register with Samskrita Bharati, get the textbook from there, because as we go forward in this, we will be making direct references to the content that is there in the textbook, the Pravesha textbook. And if you don't have the textbook, then it will be very difficult to follow this course. Yes, so this is, yeah. So students in India will not have a problem. This is specifically for students out of India. So yes, oh, that's wonderful. So there are a few people outside of India who were having difficulties in accessing the textbook. They were not able to procure the textbook. So that is the reason why we are sharing this once again with all of you. Right, we'll move now. Let's move to the, so those who have raised hands, I'm presuming that is for answering of the exercises. So we start with the section 1, Padanam Sanyojanam. So Uchaihi Ucharya Sanyojyacha Padani Likhata. Read aloud, combine the letters and write down the words. So let's see who all have come forward now. Yes, Lalita Muthuswamiji.
Ha, namaste.
Namaste. So, would you like to attempt the first one?
Yeah.
Read the letters and then combine and put the word together.
Okay. K, sh, ye, ta, ra, a, nya. Sorry, ja,
first,
nya, a, aha, sorry.
yes.
Kshetrajnaha.
Kshetrajnaha.
Kshetrajnaha, yeah.
Next one also. Yes.
Ish, r, u, t, e. Shruti.
No, read the last varna once again.
Ish, r, u, it, ihi.
You missed pronouncing the visarga.
Yes.
So, yeah, so it is Shrutihi. Yeah, Shrutihi. It's not Shruti, but it is Shrutihi.
Dhanyavad. Thank you.
Kindly mute yourself.
Thank you.
Amuda R. Amuta R.
Namaste, Ji.
Namaste.
Namaste.
So, yeah, this is the next one for you.
J plus ñ plus a plus n plus a plus m. Jnanam.
Jnanam. See, there has to be a distinct difference in the pronunciation of a and a. This is a.
Okay.
Yeah, so both are sounding very similar to each other. So specifically, I would request you to please focus on the pronunciation of akara, and a. This is just a, right? It's just one matra. See, there is a difference, right? There's a difference in the matra. This is only one matra and this is two matras. So that difference has to be clear. Yeah.
Shall I repeat?
Yeah. Next one. You can attempt the next one.
Yeah. Sh.
It's not sh. It is s.
S. A. R. V. A. L. A. K. Sh. A. N. A. L. A. K. Sh. A. N. U. A. K.
Yes.
Sarva Lakshana Lakshya.
No. Read it again. Read it
Sarva. Sarva. Sarva Lakshana Lakshya.
No, the last
Lakshana.
You're missing the yakara in your pronunciation.
Oh, okay, Mama.
So how will this be? How will you pronounce n plus ya plus aha? How will you do this?
Sarva Lakshaniyaha.
No. One minute.
sorry.
Just, no, 1 second. I'm only asking about the pronunciation of n, y, and aha. How will you pronounce that?
Nayaha.
Nyaha.
Nyaha. Oh, sorry, ma'am.
Nyaha. Okay? Nyaha.
Okay.
Okay. What is coming before nyaha? La. This is l plus a is la. L plus la is la. Sh, a, sh. Right? Laksha. Laksha. Are you with me? Laksha.
Laksha. Correct.
What was this? Pronounce this?
Nyaha. Nyaha.
So, lakshanyaha.
Lakshanyaha.
Now see the whole word. Now can you attempt the whole word?
Sarva lakshana lakshanyaha.
Lakshanyaha.
Sarva lakshana lakshanyaha.
Sarva lakshana lakshanyaha.
Okay.
I'll just say it. I'll say it for the benefit of all the students. 1 second. Sarva lakshana lakshanyaha. Sarva lakshana lakshanyaha. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Dhanyavadaha. Sarva lakshana lakshanyaha. So this bit, this is a sanyuktakshara. This is also a sanyuktakshara. This is also a sanyuktakshara. There are two individually separate sanyuktaksharas over here. Good attempt. Very good attempt.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, Avataji. You may kindly mute yourself, please. Can we pronounce Halanta Varna as us or av? No, you cannot. It's s or v. It is not us and av. No. So there are people based on the influence of your mother tongue or your or other Indian languages. There can be a tendency for many people to say s, iv. So they may add an akara slightly before the vyanjana, or they may add an ikara before the vyanjana. So a lot of times you would have probably seen in the earlier Saturday class videos itself, where I have corrected when people have said it or iv, and I've said it's not that. It has to be t or v. So if you see here also, it is sh. Okay, it is not ish or ash. So adding that before or after or an ikara is incorrect. Okay. Can you show the words combined with no, that would not that is not the idea, because it's a complete word, Vatsalaji, and hence it is not shown in the bracket. It is kindly yes, wherever it is required, Thomas G, I am giving the meanings. I have done that in the earlier classes. Certain places, what happens is you have to understand that when these are compound words, often the meaning is contextual. So when the meaning is contextual, then without understanding where it has been applied, whether it's a sentence or a paragraph, sometimes explaining the meaning may be confusing. So certain places when it's contextual, I am kind of not going towards the meaning. Also, there are different kinds of words in Sanskritam. There are simple words like Ramaha, Krishnaha. Then there are compound words. So again, with compound words, giving the meanings of the different components of the compound words sometimes is not may be confusing at this point of time. So that is the reason why certain places I am kind of refraining, because these are just the idea of this particular Abhyasa is more to help you get the pronunciations right and get the structure of the components that go into building a word. So that's where we are focusing, and we are not focusing on the meanings at this point of time. Okay. So if there are specific individual words that you really want the meaning, then you can just message in the Q&A and I'll try and see which are the ones that can be answered. Yeah, you will have to get used to long words in Sanskritam. That is my this thing. to you, because all of you, I'm sure, are used to reading much longer words in the Bhagavad Gita and all that. So this is the correct way. So you, beyond the point, simplifying it beyond that also may not be really advisable. So this is the, it is kind of the most simplified way of approaching the structure of the word. So, and I have been giving tips. So if you've been attending the classes and been viewing the videos, you'll be able to address it. So who's next now? Anita Ram. Anita ji, could you kindly,
Good evening.
Could you read the constituent varnas and then the word together, please?
U, sh, t, r, a, stra, s, a, sa, n, a, na, m. Ushtrasanam.
Ushtrasanam. Okay. It is a posture in yoga, and today being Ratha Saptami, so wish you all a very, very happy Ratha Saptami. It is a day when we dedicate our prayers to the sun, Surya Bhagavan. So it seems to be a little apt. Yes, could you attempt the next one also, please?
S, u, su, k, sh, ma, a, kshma, t, u, a, tva, t. Sukshmatvat.
Sukshmatvat. So sukshma is subtle, or subtle is the closest word that I can think of at this point of time, though sukshma would be a lot more than that. So again, I'm not getting into the details of the word at this point of time. It will come to you.
Sorry, one just doubt.
Yes.
So while writing, I'm trying to practice this words while writing.
Yes.
Ushtrasanam, for example. I'm not getting 2-3 ways are there for different, no? I mean, to join this ta, r, a, like.
No, for tra, there are no 2-3 ways. So you're sure. I'm sorry, my writing, with this is cursor and mouse is, so your shakara is half, okay, and then your takara is full. Sorry, my writing is really bad. 1 second. Let me take the eraser. 1 second. Why is it not? Okay. So 1 second.
No, if not this, there are many.
No, it will come with practice. So this is shakara.
Okay.
Then you have ta, and here the ra is written like an arrow mark below. So how the repha is written is different. So at certain places where, like for example, when you write pra, the repha is like this. Okay. When the repha is before a particular letter. So if it was repha, okay, plus sha, okay, plus ta, for example, okay. To put these lines here. Then this repha is before. So it will come as a hook on top. And sorry, this line is supposed to be, this here. And then you would have had this. Rishta. This is when the repha is before. But in this particular case, if you just see, the repha is afterwards. So it is tra, and it is given as a hook below here.
Even that, ma'am, now what I mean to say is 2-3 letters, if we try to join, sometimes we write next to each other, or sometimes one below the other. That is what we say in Kannada, Ottu, what we say that.
Ottu, Ottakshara, correct.
So how exactly to know that, how to learn that?
Do you have the Pravesha textbook with you?
Yeah, ma'am.
So in the Pravesha textbook, most of these Sanyuktaksharas, the majority of them that you will be using in Sambhashana or correspondence have been covered.
Okay.
So yeah, it is there. We will also be covering all those Sanyuktaksharas.
Conjunct consonants,
As,
what you mean to say?
yes, conjunct
Okay.
consonants in lesson 1. That is
Okay.
going to be covered. So there are a few other concepts that we wanted to principally build in, which is going to be done in the next couple of classes. And then we will follow the sequence of the textbook. At that time, when you do the Abhyasas from the textbook also, by then, you will get a hang of.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Yeah, I'll address questions in a little bit. I'm not looking at the questions immediately. Tejas Mahoday?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, can you read this?
V plus E plus sh plus V plus A plus sh plus R plus A plus Y plus AH is Vishwashrayah.
Excellent. Vishwashrayah. Next one.
N plus A plus T plus R plus A plus V plus A plus T plus E is Netravati.
Netravati. Excellent. Very good. Yeah. Dhanyavadah Tejas Mahoday. Please mute yourself. Anita Vijayji.
Namaskar.
Namaskara. Yes. Can you see the word?
Yes. A plus B plus E plus J plus Ny plus A plus N plus A plus Sh plus A plus K plus U plus N plus T plus A plus L plus A plus M. Abhijnana Shakuntalam.
Excellent. Abhijnana Shakuntalam. It is an extremely famous work by Kalidasa. Yes, next one.
Sh plus R plus A plus Y plus Am plus S plus I. Shreyamsi.
Shreyamsi. Excellent, Anita ji. Kindly mute yourself. So the word is, yeah.
Yes. I have a doubt.
Yes.
The previous combination of, is it Jnanam or Jnanam?
Oh, yes. Okay. So you see how it is being combined. Okay. Can you see it is J plus Nya plus A or A, whatever the case may be. What is coming first? J. Okay. So J, that is the first bit of pronunciation that leaves the mouth. J and Nya. Nya. Yeah. This is cha cha ja ja nya. Correct? This is nya. Right? Cha cha ja ja nya. This letter. Correct? So nya is how one would pronounce it. Nya. Where your tongue is going to pronounce j. How would you pronounce j? Can you pronounce j?
J.
J, j, cha, cha, ja, ja.
J.
Cha, cha, ja, the first one.
Yeah.
Cha, cha, ja, the third in the column, right? How would you pronounce j?
J.
J. Okay. And pronounce the fifth in the same row, in the chavarga, the anunasika.
Nya.
Nya. So your first letter is j. The second letter is nya. Can you individually pronounce these two?
J, Nya.
J, nya. Now you need to combine it. So, nya. Got it? Nya. Nya. Can you attempt it?
Nya.
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 Yeah. So that is how it will be.
Okay. Because I had this doubt. We had the third question Jnanam.
Yeah,
So-
jnanam, jnanam. This question has been addressed in the Abhyasa, in one of the earlier Abhyasa Vargas also. The third one, yeah, the third or the fourth Abhyasa Varga, I remember answering this question.
Thank you so much.
The same, yes, most welcome. Yes. So we'll move forward now. Yes, Omkarji. Rikara and yeah, rape her. Yes, it will come with practice. So don't worry too much about it. Yes. Atlani ji.
Hari Om.
Hari Om. Yes. So you can see the next one on the
Yes.
screen.
So V plus I. No, sorry. V
Yes.
plus E plus
No,
Sh.
no, there is
No.
no. It is E. Can you see the
Okay.
screen? Can you see
Yes,
the
I can see the
screen?
screen. So I guess I got confused with the pronunciation. So I start
See,
again.
okay, I'll tell you.
V.
This is a.
Yes. Mm-hmm.
This is a. And this is E.
I. I. Okay.
This is
Thank
a.
you.
And this is E.
And I.
Yes.
There you
Yes.
go. So
Mm.
V plus I plus Sh plus V plus E plus Sh plus V plus A plus R plus AHA. Vishve Shvaraha.
Vishveshwaraha.
Okay.
Shva. It's not
Okay.
A because this is just a, right? So
Mhm.
you only need to give one matra. The difference between a and A is one matra.
Yes.
So a is one matra, A is two matras.
Vishve Shvaraha. Right?
Yes, that's correct. So together it will be
Vishve Shvaraha.
Vishveshwaraha.
Vishveshwaraha.
So it is Vishwa plus Ishwaraha together become Vishveshwaraha. Ishwaraha is the Lord. Vishwa would mean everything, would also mean the world. Lord of the world or the Lord of everything. So the supreme being is called Vishveshwaraha.
Thank you.
Thank you. Most welcome. Yes, before I go to the next word, I'll just explain all the words on this particular screen. Shreyamsi is the plural for the word Shreyas. So Shreyaha. So the Shreyaha, Shreyasi, Shreyamsi. So these are Napumsakalinga words, and which is why they are in this. So this is a Bahuvachana word for the word Shreyaha, which comes from Shreyas. Right? Abhignana Shakuntalam, as I explained, is it's a very beautiful work by Kalidasa. The next word also, please.
Yes, thank you. V plus I plus Sh plus R plus U plus T plus A plus T plus M plus A. Okay, so let's see. Vishrutatma. Vishrutatma.
Vishrutatma.
Vishrutatma.
Vishrutatma. Ta, right? It is T plus A. This is A. So, Ta. So, Vishrutatma.
Vishrutatma.
Vishrutatma together.
Vishrutatma.
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 So, Vishruta means the one that is renowned. The one who is renowned. Atma is the supreme. Right? A very crude, this thing would be soul, but it's way beyond soul. So, Vishrutatma, the one who is renowned. So a lot of times the word Atma is referred to a being or a person also. So Vishrutatma is the one who is renowned. Vishruta. So Vi and Shruta. Shruta is from Shravanam, hearing. Shruti. These kind of words come from this Shru. So the one who is renowned would be the meaning. Dhanyavadaha. Kindly mute yourself.
Thank you. Yeah.
Thank you. Shaila ji. Shaila Bhagini. Shaila Bhagini, you haven't unmuted yourself.
Namaskaram.
Namaskara. Yeah, so we go to the next one now. So this is the next exercise. Uchaihi ucharanam kritva swara vyanjana vibhajanam kurutta. So you need to split it into the constituent swaras and vyanjanas.
Ah.
Yeah, this is the first one. So, stop clicking. 1 second. Yes, sorry. Yes. Kindly read the word and then break it up. That will be easier.
Pancharatnani. So, P plus A plus Ñ plus
Nya,
Ch
nya, nya,
Nya.
nya.
plus Ch plus A plus R plus A plus T plus N plus A plus N plus E.
Excellent. Pancharatnani. So the 5 ratnas. Next one.
Ashrita yajna phalam.
Yajna.
Yajna phalam.
Ah. So it is ha and never pa in Sanskrit. Ha.
A plus Ch plus R plus E plus T plus A plus Y plus A plus J plus Ñ plus A plus P plus A plus L plus A plus M.
Ha plus a. Not a.
Not A. Yes.
Ha
Yeah.
plus a. L
P
plus
plus
m.
M.
So ashrita yajna phalam.
Yajna phalam.
That desired fruit or the desired consequence of a yajna. A yajna is a penance or an activity that you undertake, a perseverance or a penance that you undertake. So ashrita yajna phalam would basically mean the desired consequence of a yajna. The next one, please.
Can I say it or should I close it?
Yes, please.
I can say?
Yes.
Okay. Pashchimaha.
Mm.
P plus A plus Sh plus Ch plus E plus M plus Aha.
Pashchimaha, west. Excellent. Kindly mute yourself, please.
Thank you.
Thank you. Pungodi Hariharan. Pungodi Hariharan.
Namaste. Namaste, beginning.
Namaste. Yes, can you see the screen?
Sarvotamaha. Sarvotamaha. Sa
Excellent.
A V
Mhm. Yes. Yes.
R V V O D M M Aha.
So this is t, not the.
T
See, the difference is this is the.
the
This is the. And this is
T
this is the. This is the.
Yes.
This is the. This is the. So there is a yeah.
M Aha. Sarvotamaha.
Excellent. 1 second. Let me just put the right answer on the screen. Yes. Sarvottamaha. 1 second. Yes, this is the next one.
Akshobham. Akshobham.
Akshobham. What you pronounced first, that was correct. Akshobham.
Akshobham. Bam.
Bha, 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 bha. Mahaprana.
Akshobham.
Excellent.
A plus K plus Sha. Sh. Sh. O. Bha. B. A. M. Akshobham.
Akshobham.
Bham.
So,
Akshobham.
Akshobham. So,
Bham.
Kshobha. Yes, thank you. You can mute yourself, Pungodiji. Good attempt. Good attempt. Extremely good attempt. Kshobha is to be in a state of anguish. So, Akshobham is when you are not in any anguish. So, there is a prayer where you say, Deshoyam Kshobha Rahito. Okay. So, you pray that your country is without anguish. So, that is the meaning of this word, Akshobham. Next one should be easy. Yes, Usha ji, I'll come to you. Let's finish the exercises and then I'll come to you. Rajeshri Acharya. Rajeshri Acharya.
Yeah, Ram. Shri Ksheerasagarah. Sha plus E.
You have to break up Ksha also.
Okay.
Into, because Ksha itself is a Sanyukta Akshara, correct?
Okay. Ka plus Sha plus E plus Ra plus A plus Sa plus A plus Ga plus A plus Ra plus Aha.
Now,
Ksheerasagarah.
Ksheerasagarah, ocean of milk. Now, just one input that I would like to give you is, please be conscious that while you're pronouncing it as sir, there is a stroke below, so it is actually s and not sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sure.
When you say
Yeah.
sir is a gunita akshara.
Okay.
What is sir? Sir is nothing but s plus a.
Okay.
S
Yes.
plus a gives you sir. Correct?
Okay. Yeah.
Correct? S
Yes.
plus a gives you sir. Whereas this, so this is sir, whereas this is only s. Got it? That
Yes.
you should be aware of. You have to be conscious about that. So if you say g plus a, you should not write it as g as in the complete one. So this stroke is telling you that it is a vyanjana which has not yet been attached to a swara. There's a halanta. That you have to be sure. Yeah. Next one.
Should I continue?
Yeah, you have answered 2 words. Have you?
No.
So this you can take. Yeah, you can take the next one also. Yes.
Trayatam.
No. Trayatam. You have already pronounced it correctly. Trayatam. Trayatam. No. 1 second, Rajeshri.
Trayatam.
1 second, Rajeshri ji. Trayatam.
Trayatam.
Trayatam. Okay. Yes. Now you can attempt it.
Ta plus ra plus a plus ya plus a plus ta plus a plus ma.
Plus
Trayatam.
No. When you say trayatam and when you say trayatam, please be careful because meaning will change. Okay? Trayatam means may I be saved. Traya. Tra means to save. You say trahimam, trahimam, right? In a lot of mythological serials, etc. They show you a lot of movies that have been taken earlier. They used to show in in the 50s and 60s. Trahi, trahi. So that is save me. So may I be saved. So that is tra is to it is to protect, to save. The sense is like rakshana. Okay. Yeah.
Dhanyavad.
Dhanyavadah. Yes. Who is next? Kavya ji. Kavya
Yes,
ji?
ma'am.
Yes. Can you see the word?
Yes, ma'am. Sarvabhutashrayah. S plus a plus r plus v plus a plus b plus u plus t plus a plus shu plus r plus a plus u plus ah.
Excellent. Okay. The next one.
Ascharyam. A plus sho plus t plus a r plus u plus a plus m.
Could you pronounce it once again?
Ascharyam.
Ashcharyam. Excellent. Excellent.
Thank you.
Thank you. Dhanyavadah. Kindly mute yourself. Lochani ji. Lochani ji. Yes. Lochani ji, I can't hear you.
Aishwaryam.
Yes.
A plus I plus shwa plus v plus r plus y plus a plus m.
Excellent. Aishwaryam. 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 Yeah. So Ishwara, it comes from the word Ishwara. So the sense of Ishwara is how the word Aishwaryam comes. Though most of us kind of associate it with prosperity. That is because when you have the bhavana of Ishwara, you are automatically prosperous. So prosperity, Aishwaryam meaning prosperity is not really in a very materialistic sense. So that's what it is. The next one.
Datta shwaha. The plus the plus the plus a plus sh plus v plus a plus aha.
Plus aha is together.
Okay.
Aha is all, yeah, we've done this, right? We've done ayogavahas many times.
Yeah.
So
yes.
aha is how it will have to be, right? So the visarga will always follow a swara.
Okay.
Datta shwaha, the given horses would be a very crude translation. Thank you.
Okay.
Dhanyavadah Lochani ji. Kindly mute yourself.
Dhanyavadah. Dhanyavadah.
Nikhilesh Bhatnagar.
Ram Ram beginning.
Ram. So this is your word.
Shithilash bhitaha. Sh plus E plus th plus E plus L plus A plus sh plus ch plus a plus bh plus E plus t plus aha.
Shithilash bhitaha. So shithilaha and bhitaha together. So would you know the meaning of shithila?
Chatan, stone.
No, it's exactly the opposite. Somebody who's fatigued.
Fatigued, okay.
Tired, exhausted, without any energy. And bhitaha is, of course, the ones who are scared. Fear. So when you're kind of fatigued out and scared. Okay. Then, yeah, one more word for you.
Vishwasmin. V plus E plus sh plus v plus a plus s plus e plus m plus e plus na.
Vishwasmin, in the world, is the meaning. Dhanyavadaha. Kindly mute
Thank you.
yourself. Jyoti ji.
Yes. Good evening.
Good evening. So we move to the next exercise, Nama Padani. So, Adho Likhita Shabdan, Linganusaram Vibhajya Likhita. So, based on the linga of the word, you need to classify it into Pullinga, Strilinga, or what is the third linga we have? Samskrita, how many? Napumsakalinga. Yeah, everybody else kindly keep your self muted. Napumsakalinga. So, Pullinga, Strilinga, Napumsakalinga. We have three lingas. Right, Jyoti ji?
Oh yeah, I think the last Brinda's class I had missed Brindaji's.
The video is there. So, I would request that you follow, kind of watch the video and attempt the exercises. Because usually the Abhyasas on Saturday will follow the classes which have been, So the three lingas. So the first word, can you read the word aloud?
Ganeshaha.
So what linga would it be?
That would be pulling.
Pullinga Shabdaha. Yeah. So Ganeshaha is Pullinga Shabdaha. Next one.
Kamalam. That will be the Napo, the third one.
Napumsakalinga Shabdaha.
Yeah, Napolinga.
Now, we have to, now because we are learning a language, Samskrita Bhasha, so we need to use the correct terms to for the correct purposes. So the word is Napumsakalinga Shabdaha. It's written on the...
Yeah, Napumsakalinga Shabdaha.
That is a neuter gender word.
Okay.
Okay. Dhanyavadaha. Kindly mute yourself.
Thank you. Okay.
Yes. Lalita Shankaran.
Namaste Bhagini.
Namaste.
Margaha Pullinga Shabdaha.
Margaha is Pullinga Shabdaha. Next one.
Vahanam Napumsaha Linga Shabdaha.
Napumsaka. Now I want you to focus on the pronunciations correctly. Napumsaka Linga Shabdaha.
Napumsaka Linga Shabdaha. Napumsaka.
Napumsaka Linga Shabdaha.
Napumsaka Linga Shabdaha.
Excellent. Dhanyavadaha. Kindly mute yourself.
Dhanyavada Bhagini.
Dhanyavadaha. Kindly mute yourself. Kirtana Ratnadhar. Kirtana ji.
Namaste, madam.
Namaste.
Ram.
Ram. Can you read the next word, please?
Lata. Strilinga Shabdaha.
Strilinga Shabdaha. Excellent. Next one.
Prithvi. Strilinga Shabdaha.
Strilinga Shabdaha. Could you repeat the pronunciation, please?
Prithvi.
Prithvi. Yeah, because the first time I thought that I kind of heard the thakara a little like an alpha prana, which is why I asked you. Dhanyavada.
Okay. Dhanyavada.
Kindly mute yourself. Subramanyam Chandrasekhar.
Unable to mute myself, madam.
Yeah, I will mute you. Don't worry. Yeah. You are not getting muted. 1 second.
Parvataha. Pullinga Shabdaha.
Pullinga Shabdaha.
Shabdaha.
It's not sir, it is Shabdaha. Next one.
Pullinga Shabdaha.
Next
Jalam.
Button.
Jalam. Napunsakalinga shabdaha.
Prithvi.
Napumsakalinga shabdaha. Excellent. Dhanyavada. Kindly mute yourself, please. Saraswati Ramachandran.
Ram 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 Bagini.
Ram Ram Ram.
Grihini. Strilingam. Strilinga Shabdaha.
Strilinga Shabdaha. Next one.
Sevika. Strilinga Shabdaha.
Strilinga Shabdaha. So later on, we will go and elaborate and say Ikaranta Strilinga Shabdaha. Akaranta Strilinga Shabdaha. That will be the next stage for all of you.
Dhanyavada.
Okay. Dhanyavada. Kindly mute yourself. Padmavati Ammal. Padmavati Ammal.
Strilinga Shabdaha.
Bala Strilinga Shabdaha. Next one.
Janaha. Pullinga Shabdaha.
Pullinga Shabdaha. Dhanyavada. Kindly mute yourself. Lakshmi Rama Subramanyam. Lakshmi Rama Subramanyam.
Netram. Napumsakalinga Shabdaha.
Excellent. Netram is Napumsakalinga Shabdaha. Next one.
Guruhu. Pullinga Shabdaha.
Excellent. Guruhu is Pullinga Shabdaha. Kindly mute yourself, please.
Dhanyavada.
Dhanyavada. Darshani ji.
Ram Ram Ram.
Ram Ram Ram. So this is the next word for you.
Munihi Pullinga Shabdaha.
Excellent. Munihi is Pullinga Shabdaha. Next one.
Vishnuhu Pullinga Shabdaha.
Pullinga Shabdaha. Dhanyavada. Kindly mute yourself.
Ram Ram Ram. Thank you.
Ram Ram Ram. K. Ramachandran Mahoday.
Ram Ram Bagri.
Ram Ram Ram.
Parnam. Napumsaka linga shabdaha.
Napumsaka linga shabdaha.
Napumsaka linga shabdaha.
Napumsaka. This ka has to be saka, ka.
Saka. Napumsaka linga shabdaha.
That ka has to be clear. This is difficult. Next word.
Vapuhu.
This I admit is difficult and it is beyond the scope of Pravesha right now, but I still went ahead and put it. It is not. So there, Vapuhu is not a Pullinga Shabda. It is a Napumsakalinga. It is definitely, one wouldn't expect you to know that, but I just put it because Vapuhu is heard so many times in so many slokas, etc. And Vapuhu means body, like Shariram, Deham, etc. And it is a Napumsakalinga Shabdaha. So it is Vapuhu, Vapushi, Vapumshi. It goes like that. It is a Sakaranta Napumsakalinga Shabdaha. I wasn't expecting anyone to be able to know it, but I just went ahead and put. So let me give you one easy one because I gave you a tough one. Attempt. Could you?
Utpitika.
Utpitika.
Utpitika. Strilinga Shabdaha.
Strilinga Shabdaha. What is an Utpitika? Would you happen to know? It's a table. Table. It's a table. Pitha is something on which you sit, but Utpitha is something that is raised up. So it's a table. Dhanyavada. Kindly mute yourself.
Dhanyavada.
Yeah.
Bhagini, I have a question. Why is it Srilinga table?
Why is it Strilinga? That is the beauty of the language. Why are non-living objects Strilinga at this point of time, all I can explain to you is that it has been categorized as a Strilinga. As you would go deeper and deeper into the language, you would be able to understand. When I'm saying deeper and deeper is after you finish the 4 levels of Samskrita Bharati, and then you go deeper into either say Shiksha Shastra or Vyakarana Shastra or say Sahityam, etc. At that point of time, you would be able to understand this, that the structure of any word is all about prefixes and suffixes. So there are certain suffixes that give you the output, which is Strilinga, certain suffixes that give you the output as Pullinga, certain suffixes that give you output as Napumsakalinga, and that is why you get even non-living objects as Pullinga and Strilinga. It's way beyond the scope of Pravesha at this point of time, but there is a very, very logical reason for that, which you would understand as you get into more and more of Samskrita Abhyasam, Bhasha Abhyasam. You would be able to appreciate that.
Yeah.
At this point of time, all you need to understand is, just like say languages like Hindi or Marathi or many of the Indian languages do have gender for non-living objects also.
Yeah.
So at this point of time, you just need to go with that. But there is a reason why certain things end up as Strilinga Shabdas, why certain words end up as Pullinga Shabdas. There are reasons for it.
Okay. Thank you, Bhagini.
Dhanyavad.
Dhanyavad.
Yes, yeah. Kindly mute yourself, please. Yeah, Lakshmi ji. Lakshmi ji.
Namaste.
Namaste. Can you read the word on the screen, please?
Vidalah. It is Pullinga Shabdah.
Pullinga Shabdah. Vidalah is a cat. Pullinga Shabdah. Usha ji, could you kindly raise your hand, please? Then I'll be able to unmute you. Kindly, yeah. Lakshmi ji, just take one more word, please.
Lekhani. Lekhani is a Strilinga Shabdah.
Lekhani is a Strilinga
Shabdah.
Dhanyavad. Kindly mute yourself, please. Okay, 1 second, please. I will just. Yeah, Usha Prabhakar ji. Usha Prabhakar ji, I have requested you to unmute yourself.
Yeah, I did. Can you hear me?
I can hear you now. So we'll do the exercise and then we'll come to your doubt. You have a long-standing doubt.
No, I didn't have any doubt.
Okay, no, because you had written in the Q&A that you had a doubt and you were not able to ask it. Yeah, anyway, could you attempt the word on the screen, please?
Yeah, Pustakam. Napunsakalingam.
Napunsakalingam. Yes. Next one.
Akaranta. Hastaha. Akaranta. Pullinga Shabdah.
Pullinga Shabdah. Dhanyavad. Kindly mute yourself. So you don't have any doubts as of now?
No, I was finding that other people were asking their questions.
No, that was in the Q&A section, right?
Yeah, but if I wanted to talk.
No, I will have to, you need to raise your hand and let me know, and then I will kind of allow you to unmute yourself.
Okay, thank you.
That's how it's going to work. Dhanyavad.
Thank you. Dhanyavad.
Yeah. Kindly mute yourself back.
Bhagini, Namusakalinga.
The word is Napumsakalinga. Pronunciation has to be correct.
Hastaka Pullinga Yava.
Sorry?
Hastaka Pullingam Padam.
Hastaha is Pullinga. Sorry, it has come by mistake. I will have it changed. Dhanyavad.
Why there is a dot on Pullinga Pusa Puvarnaka?
It is Pum because it comes from Pum. Puman, it comes from Pum. Therefore, there is a doubt. There is a dot on top. Pums. It is Pums.
Pronunciation
Pullinga. Pullinga. There is a slight anunasika sound that will come.
Dhanyavada.
Dhanyavada. Kindly mute yourself, Pungodi ji. 1 second. Please give me a minute. Yeah. So this had an error. I will change it right away. Yeah, sorry. The next word, please. I don't see any hands raised. 1 second. Yeah. Vatsala ji. Vatsala Jambunathan.
Can you hear me?
I can hear you very clearly.
Good evening, namaste. Dileepaha is Pullinga Shabdaha.
Pullinga Shabdaha. Next one.
Rishihi also Pullinga Shabdaha.
Rishi is also Pullinga Shabdaha. Dhanyavada. You have any doubts or queries that you wanted to ask?
No, the only that thing about the writing of that combined words now
that will come with practice.
Yeah, now I understood that. Yes.
You have to.
Yeah, I understood now how to do that now. Yes.
Yes.
I wanted to get one chance to do exercise, but I followed the exercises. Thank you very much.
Dhanyavada. Kindly mute yourself, please. Gayatri Vishwanathan. Gayatri Vishwanathan.
Yes.
Gayatri, yes.
Yes, ma'am. Namaste, ma'am.
Namaste. The next word.
Taruhu. Taruhu. Pullinga Shabdaha.
It is Pullinga Shabdaha. Yes. 1 second.
Thank you, ma'am.
Dhanyavada. Thank you. And Hastaha is also Pullinga, as it was rightly pointed out. Let me just change it immediately.
Taruhu is that tree, ma'am?
Yes, Taruhu is tree.
Thank you, ma'am.
Dhanyavada. Let me just change this.
Hastaha is Pullinga Shabdaha.
Yeah, that's done. Kindly hold on. Kindly hold on. Yes. Can you see the screen now?
Chitram. Napumsakalinga.
Napumsakalinga Shabdaha.
Napumsakalinga Shabdaha.
Dhanyavadaha. Excellent. Kindly mute yourself.
Dhanyavadaha, ma'am.
Kindly mute yourself, please. Mute yourself, Gayatri ji. Satish Menon. Satish Mahoday.
Ram Ram.
Ram. Yes.
Sita.
Can you see the next?
Sita Shrilinga Shabdaha.
Strilinga Shabdaha. Next one.
Parvati. Parvati. Strilinga Shabdaha.
Excellent. Dhanyavadaha.
Ram Ram.
Yourself. Yeah. Ram. Omkar Mahoday.
Namaskar.
Namaskara. Yes, this is the word for you. Can you see the screen? Omkar ji, can you see the screen? I think you got muted again. Yes, Omkar ji.
Yeah, Ganga, Strilinga Shabda.
Strilinga Shabda. Next one.
Godavari, Strilinga Shabda.
Godavari, Strilinga Shabda. Dhanyavada. Kindly mute yourself. Kindly mute yourself. Balakrishna ji.
Namo Namaha.
Yeah, Namo Namaha. Ekanamisham Mahoday. Can you read the screen?
Agnihi Pullinga Shabdaha.
Excellent. Agnihi Pullinga Shabdaha. Next one.
भाषा स्त्रीलिंग शब्दः.
Bhasha, it's Bhasha, Strilinga Shabdah. Excellent.
भाषा स्त्रीलिंग शब्दः.
Dhanyavadah. Excellent. Kindly mute yourself. Ganesh Chichakar. Ganesh Mahoday.
Yeah. Ram Ram.
Ram Ram Ram.
Ravihi Pullinga Shabdaha.
Ravihi Pullinga Shabdaha. It is another word for the sun. Comes from Rava. Rava is to make sound. So because of the nuclear reactions in the sun, there is a lot of noise. There is a lot of sound energy that is transmitted. That's why he's called Ravi. Next one.
Chatruhu Pullinga Shabdaha.
Pullinga Shabdaha. Excellent. Dhanyavadah. Kindly mute yourself.
Dhanyavadah.
Padmavati Ammal. Padmavati. Okay, Pustakam has been done already. So I'll go to the next one. Can you see the screen? Yeah, can you see the screen, please? It's too much of disturbance.
Yes, Bhagini.
Yeah. Can you see the screen, please?
Yes, we can see.
Yeah.
I can.
Yeah. Can you please read? I think it's too much of disturbance. Amutha ji, Amutha.
Ram Ram Mam.
Ram Ram.
Janani. Janani Strilinga Shabdaha.
Strilinga Shabdaha. Next one.
Chaya. Strilinga Shabdaha.
Dhanyavadah. Kindly mute yourself.
Thank you, ma'am.
Anita ji.
Yes.
Yeah.
I have a doubt. Is there any difference between Pullingam, Pullingaha and Pullinga Shabdaha?
Pullinga Shabdaha means the word is Pullinga.
Yeah, Pullingam.
Yeah.
Can I just say that?
Lingam is just the, it is Lingaha, not Lingam.
Okay. Lingaha.
Lingaha. It is Linga. The word Linga also is in Pullinga. It's masculine.
Okay. Yeah. Pullingaha.
Pullinga Shabdaha. That's why I said that. The correct word would be, the word Janani is a Pullinga Shabdaha. That's the correct terminology to be used.
We can't say that Pullingaha. We can't say, ma'am.
Which is why I said, I just said that, right? Shabda is a Shabdaha. Pullinga Shabdaha.
Okay.
It is Pullinga Shabdaha.
Thank you.
Welcome. Yes, let's continue. Anita ji.
Mitram.
Can you mute yourself? Napumsakalinga Shabdaha. One more.
Shala Strilinga Shabdaha.
Shala Strilinga Shabdaha. Dhanyavadah. Kindly mute yourself. So this is a little tough now. Let's kind of, meanings will come to you over a period of time, Vatsala ji. Yeah. Samohetara padam chitva. Yeah. Karanam likhata. Why is it the odd one out? So you need to pick up the odd one out and also give the reason. So let's quickly do this because we are running out of time phenomenally, but I do want to finish this today. So who is coming forward? Who wants to attempt this? Darshani ji. Darshani ji, do you want to attempt
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. The odd one out word would be Ramaha because
first read all the 4 words, please.
Okay. Kshama, Lata, Ramaha, Lajja. The odd one out word would be Ramaha because it is in Pullinga. It's a Pullinga Shabdaha and the remaining are Strilinga Shabdaha.
The remaining are Strilinga Shabdaha. You are right. You also need to start observing that Ramaha is an akarantas Pullinga Shabdaha. Kshama, Lata, Lajja are akarantas Strilinga Shabdaha. So it's just an observation. You are not expected to know it right now, but start kind of being open to understanding words like that. Dhanyavadaha. Kindly mute yourself, Darshini ji. Let me see who's there. Saraswati ji. Saraswati Ramachandranji.
Yes, Bhagini. Nadi, Guruhu, Shambhuhu, Hari. Nadi is actually the odd one because it's Srilingam. Guruhu, Shambhuhu, Hari. Ityadi Padani Pullingameva.
Pullinga. So, Guruhu, Shambhuhu are Ukaranta Pullinga Shabdah and Harihi is Ikaranta Pullinga Shabdah. Dhanyavada. Continue to yourself. Omkar Mahoday. Omkar Nanavare.
Yeah, one before that, one doubt, like, is it a rule in Sanskritam that all Pullingi Shabda should have Visarga at the end?
Definitely not. Certainly not.
Okay, because I have observed that most of the time it is so.
Mahan, Mahan, Bhagavan, Dhiman, Shauryavan, Lakshmivan. Do they have Visarga?
No.
Atma. No Visarga.
Yeah, okay.
But a majority of the words happen to fall in that bracket, which you will learn as you go ahead with Pravesha course. You will learn over time. How that happens, you will learn over time. When you learn Shabda Rupas, you will learn that.
Okay. Yeah. Suryaha, Mitraha, Bhanu, Mitram. Odd one out is Mitram, Napunsakalinga Shabda.
One more. There's one more observation that I want you to make, which was discussed by Brindaji in the class. What is the difference between the second word and the third word? Apart from the gender. There is Mitraha and there is Mitram. What is the difference?
One means son and one is friend.
Which
but
one
I forgot the difference.
Mitraha is the son. Mitram is a Napumsakalinga word for friend. So even if you knew there is a girl called Rekha and she is your friend, you will say Mama Mitram Rekha. And suppose you had there is a boy called, say, Ganesha and he is your friend, you will say Mama Mitram Ganesha. You got it? Yeah. You will still say Mitram irrespective of the gender of your friend.
Yeah.
Got it? That's the difference. Mitraha is specifically Suryaha. So that is something that was discussed in the class and I wanted everyone to make a note of it. Dhanyavadaha. Let's go to the next one quickly. Yes.
Bhagini, there is one more difference, I thought. That is, three of them have Visarga. Whereas
no. Don't go by that. Don't go by that rule. I just mentioned earlier that all of them don't have a Visarga and Visarga is not a differentiating factor. For example, I gave a word called Vapuhu, which is in Napumsakalinga and it has a Visarga.
Yeah.
And just now I just mentioned words like Atma, which does not have a Visarga, but it is Pullinga. There is a word called Dhiman, Bhagavan. No Visarga, but it is Pullinga. Bhagavan is Pullinga, right? The word Bhagavan is Pullinga. So it's an observation. So don't get carried away that everything Lakshmihi has a Visarga. But it is a Strilinga word.
Strilinga, yeah.
So you don't go by that yardstick. You will end up getting confused.
Let's finish. No, this regarding the Nadi, the sea is known as Pulling, na? It's always addressed as a Brahmana.
Sea is Abdi. It is not Nadi. Nadi means river.
Yeah, so Nadi is Sriling and sea is Pulling. No?
It is not always. See, these are words which have the gender. So please don't go by the actual ocean. So, for example, when I say the word Vrikshaha is Pullinga Shabda, the word is Pullinga. The tree is not, the gender of the tree is not really being discussed. Okay, this was explained, right? I just said Mitram, for example. When I'm saying mitram is napumsakalinga, but then your friend could be, if Jyoti is my friend, Jyoti is a lady. She's strilinga. She's a lady. But the shabda is napumsakalinga. That's why I said mama mitram Jyoti.
Okay.
Got it? Kalatram is wife. Kalatram is spouse or wife. Definitely the wife is a lady. But the word kalatram is napumsakalinga. So don't associate the gender of the word is one thing. The gender of the actual object may be something else. So two different things. Let's not get confused over there. Kindly mute yourself. Let us quickly finish the exercises because we are really exceeding time. Yeah, the next one, Tejas Mahoday.
Yes, ma'am.
Read the next one. Tell me which is the odd one out.
Akshaha, Vrikshaha, Pushpam and Krishnaha. Pushpam is odd one out because it is Napumsakalinga.
Excellent. The others are Pullinga Shabdaha. Excellent. Kindly mute yourself. Yeah. Lalita Shankaran. Lalita ji. Lalita Shankaran ji. Can you unmute yourself or is it difficult? Not able to unmute you. Okay. Ramachandran K.
First Vagini. Harihi, Harihi, Patihi, Lekani, Kavihi. Lekani is Napumsakalinga.
No, Lekhani is Strilinga. Lekhani is Strilinga.
Strilinga. Rest are Pullinga.
Yes, correct. So here you see Harihi, Patihi, Kavihi are all Ikaranta Pullinga Shabdas. Lekhani is Ikaranta Strilinga Shabda. Subtle difference. Yes. Dhanyavada. Kindly mute yourself. Yeah, kindly mute yourself. Next one. Usha Prabhakar ji. Usha ji.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, can you read the next one?
Janani, Putri, Amba.
What is the odd one out?
Sure. The Janani.
Why? You need to give me reasons for it.
Yeah. Okay, Mata and Amba are Strilinga Shabdas.
Janani is not?
No, I think Janani is an Ikaranta Strilingam.
It is still Strilinga. Putri is not Strilinga?
Putri, I'm not sure.
Very much Strilinga. Putri means daughter.
Daughter, okay. So Mata is also Strilinga.
No, all of them are. So what is the difference in what is the difference in the four words?
In the fourth one?
I want to know. I want you to pick up the odd one out.
Yeah.
1 second. Just give me
Mata and Amba are Akaranta Strilinga.
Yeah.
Janani and Putri are Ikaranta Strilinga. Shabdaha.
Look at the word again. Look at the four. What is the meaning? So go beyond the gender. Go beyond the gender. Probably the differentiation is not on the basis of gender.
Oh. You mean gender of the thing or person or the word itself?
Look at that is not the basis for categorization at all over here.
So we are picking the odd one out.
Yeah, so odd one could be on various bases. So what is the meaning of the first word?
Mother. Okay, Putri is the odd one.
Yeah, why?
Because it's a daughter and Janani, Mata, Amba are the same.
Exactly. So that was Artha Veda. See, this is so this is where we need to be alert. So very consciously this was kind of Dhanyavadaha. So Janani, Putri, Mata, Amba are all Strilinga Shabdas. Okay. Janani and Putri, kindly mute yourself, Ushaji. Janani
Don't I get one more to do?
Kindly mute because there are many people. Let me just quickly explain this. Kindly mute yourself. So these two are Ikaranta Strilinga Shabdas. These two, Mata and Amba. Mata is actually Rikaranta Strilinga Shabda. Comes from Matra. So it is not Akaranta, though it looks like that. So which means it is not on the gender. All of them are Strilinga Shabdas. So this time the categorization was on the basis of meanings. That was the twist. Okay. Now let's look at who will answer. Yeah. Gayatri Vishwanathan. Gayatri ji.
Yes, ma'am. Namaste, ma'am.
Namaste. Next one.
Mitram. Kalatram. Chitram. Ragni. Kalatram, Chitram. Ma'am, may I know what is Ragni?
Queen, Rani.
Oh, Rani. Okay, okay. Then Chitram, Napumsakalingam, all others are Pullinga Shabda.
Is it? Is it?
No, Mitram is also Napumsakalinga.
I discussed just now.
Ragi is Strilinga, others are Napumsakalinga.
What is the meaning? Correct. What is the meaning of the word Kalatram? I just said it 5 minutes ago.
Wife is feminine, but the word is Napumsakalinga.
Exactly. So Ragni is the Strilinga Shabda. Mitram, Kalatram and Chitram are Napumsakalinga Shabdas, even though Kalatram is referring to a wife.
Yes, ma'am.
Dhanyavada.
Thank you, ma'am. Dhanyavada.
Kindly mute yourself. Kindly mute yourself. Ganesh Mahoday. Ganesh ji.
Yeah.
I'm very sorry we're shooting a time.
Yeah.
But
Ravi,
yeah,
Ankani, Chashakaha, Sudha Khanda. Chashakaha.
Why so? You have to also give reasons why. Ravihi is referring to, meaning of Ravihi is?
Surya.
Surya. Ankani?
Ankani,
pencil.
Not pens.
Pencil. Ravihi is a pulling. Ravihi, we have already done the linga. Ravihi is what linga?
Pullinga.
Pullinga. Yeah. Ankani also, I think we have covered, right?
Yeah.
Or you would have, Ankani is what linga?
Ankani is Strilingam.
Chashakaha?
Chashakaha Pullingam.
Pullinga.
Sudha Khandaha, again Pullinga.
Pullinga Shabda.
Yeah.
So then what is odd?
Ankani. Ankani is odd.
Exactly. Ankani is Strilinga. Ravihi, Chashakaha, Sudha Khandaha are all Pullinga Shabdaha.
Right.
Dhanyavadaha. Kindly mute yourself. Kindly mute yourself. Let's look at who else would like to answer. Balakrishna Mahoday. Balakrishna ji.
Yes, madam.
Yeah. So can you read the 4 words given?
Deepaha, Harihi, Adhyaya, Margaha. So all are Pullinga Shabdaha. The odd one is Harihi, which is Ikaranta Pullinga Shabdaha.
Excellent. Harihi is the odd one because these are all Akaranta Pullinga Shabdas and Harihi is Ikaranta Pullinga Shabdas. Excellent. Kindly mute yourself. Dhanyavada. Who else would like to answer? Amuta ji. Amuta ji.
Yes, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am. Lata, Shala, Gopi.
Gopi alla, Kubi.
Kubi. Sorry, Kubi, Mala.
Kubi, it's not Kubi also, it is Kupi.
Kubi.
Kupi, pa.
Kupi. Kupi. Mala. Kupi is the odd one, ma'am. It is a ikara strilinga.
Correct. Ikaranta
strilinga shabda. Okay.
And Lata Shala Mala or Akaranta Strilinga Shabdaha.
Yes.
Dhanyavadha. Please focus on your pronunciations. It's very important. Yeah. Dhanyavadha. Lalita ji. Lalita Shankaran.
Ambahini. Ekanamisham. Pustakam.
Pustakam, not pustakam.
Pustakam. Devaha. Yanam. Mandiram. Devaha Pullinga Shabdaha. Odd one. Pustakam. Yanam. Mandiram. Adi Napum Sakalingaha Sabdaha.
Excellent.
Sabdaha.
Shabdaha. That's okay. That's okay.
Dhanyavadaha.
Thank you very much. Any other doubts? Kindly mute yourself, everybody. Let me just quickly look at the. Sometimes it's not possible to cover everybody. Yes, it is difficult. Lalita ji, I get your point. She says it's difficult to categorize lingas. Now I think it is difficult. Yes. As you go ahead with the Pravesha course and you come across more and more words, that is when you will start consciously being able to differentiate. So don't worry about it. This is just the beginning. We are just few classes into the Abhyasa, so don't worry about it. Let's quickly close the class. Samapayamaha.
One second.
Yes.
1 second, because I have not done the fourth one. I just 4-5 words only I have done.
Not a problem, Lalita ji. I would request you. I would request you to go through the videos and practice the Abhyasas. It doesn't matter. Yeah.
Because I got the Pravesha book also.
Doesn't matter. Please go through the videos and do all the Abhyasas that you haven't covered so far. It's very important to do that. Yeah. Dhanyavada. Kindly keep yourself muted once the prayer is started. Yeah. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah. Sarve santu niramayah. Sarve bhadrani pashyantu. Ma kaschid dukkha bhag bhavet. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Dhanyavadaha. One important announcement. The next Saturday, that is, I think the 4th of February. Yeah, it's the 3rd or the 4th. Yeah, 4th of February. I'm traveling, so I will not be able to conduct the Abhyasa Varga. Most probably the Abhyasa Varga will not happen on the coming Saturday. I will have it the Saturday after that. Your Sunday class will happen as usual. Just this next coming Saturday, I am not in town because I'm traveling. I won't be in a position to conduct the class. Yeah. So Dhanyavadaha, Ram Ram Ram, Shubha Ratri.